Welcome to the 3-day Raise Your Vibration Challenge. What we are going to do in this challenge, every day we will do simple technique which will help you raise your vibration, your aura. What is your vibration? Your vibration is actually the frequency you emit to the world, because whatever you emit to the world, it will come back to you. Everything in this universe radiates a frequency, and we are human beings. We are the most powerful species in this earth, so we have the highest frequency or the highest aura. But in human beings also there are variations, because some people have naturally high aura, some people have low aura, and all these are because of how you respond to the life. If you see this spiral, this photo, you can understand that how the upward spiral is made and how the downward spiral is made. Whenever we are vibrating in low frequencies like anger, jealousy, insecurity, then our vibration goes low. And whenever we are vibrating in higher frequency like joy, happiness and gratitude, our vibration goes up. So how to raise the vibration, how to go up, and how to not slide down? You have the most authentic aura, you have the most high vibration when you are authentic with yourself, when your body, your mind and your soul are in sync with each other. So for this, why it is difficult to achieve? Because see, soul is always the same for everyone. Soul is almost as powerful in each individual, but there comes the mind and then comes the body. Sometimes your mind is also very powerful and you want to do so many things, but your body doesn't cooperate. So that's why working on the body is the most important thing you can do to raise your vibration. So we will be doing some simple steps. For today, day 1, we will be raising our hands and doing a simple meditation. Why raise your hands? Because whenever you raise your hands, immediately all the stress is gone, because the shoulders are now relaxed. And when you raise your hand, your palms are open and you are in the receiving mode. When your hands are down, you are trying to hold something, you are trying to clench. But then when the hands are up and your hands are open, you are in the receiving mode. So while we are doing this meditation, you need to recite that you are ready to receive all the goodness of this universe, that you deserve all the good things in the life. So by that, you will automatically raise your frequency. There are certain time-tested method to raise your vibration, which is moving your body and also practicing gratitude. These two methods are underrated, but this is the most important method, because without moving your body, all the emotions which are stuck in your body can't go out. So these are always there, these two methods are always there, but today we will be focusing on the simple methods which you can do immediately. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for tomorrow.